Hello guys, now we are going to show actually how to track add to cart button, okay, through the tag manager. Okay, this is my demo tag manager, go to the trigger section. Yeah, create a new trigger. Custom event trigger. Okay, add to cart. Okay, add to cart trigger. Now go to the text section. Create a new tag for GA4 measurement ID. Okay, GA4 measurement ID and event name. Okay, add to cart event. Okay, add to cart tag. Yeah, trigger add to cart trigger. Okay, just save now. Go to the preview section. It's connecting. Yeah, it's connected. Okay, view a product. Yeah, I actually created this tag on the last video, maybe you saw. If you don't see it, you please see first how to create a view item tag, then see the add to cart. Okay, now go to the add to cart section. Yeah, add to cart. Okay, so our add to cart tag is fair, but this tag doesn't actually send any parameter to the GA4, so we need to add some parameter which is recommend from Google: currency, item and value. Okay, the same parameter as the view item: currency, item, value. So now go to the text section. Event parameter 2 3. Okay, just add to cart. Okay, currency, items and last one value. Yeah, sorry, this one value. Okay, I created these three variables on the last video, that was view item, so please check them how I created this. First one, currency, second one, items, and last one, the value. Okay, okay, done. save. Now submit and publish. Done. For the check preview again, it's connecting. Yeah, it's connected. View item. Yeah, view item fire. Add to cart. Yeah, add to cart also fire. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for today. Next I will show the begin checkout.